What's up, guys? We'll see you coming back at you again in another video. Today I got a classics break, 8 cards per pack and 8 packs per box. So let's get into it. So we get one Saturday night swatches in here, so let's check it out. Get everything back. Okay. So, I don't know, we'll just go with the flow, wherever the patch comes from, what pack it comes out of. Cool. Oh, guys, boom, PC action right off the top. Emmanuel Sanders from Classics. Dope. That's awesome. Doug Baldwin, Frank Gore. We got this cool high praise of Joe Montana. Great PC pack. We got John Elway, too. Not just the Sanders, Steve Young, Curly Cup, Bruce Smith. Next pack. This one feels kind of thin. Thinner. We got Fitz, Gronk, Tarkin, Tariq Cohen, T.Y. Law, Earl Campbell. Oh, sorry, that whole pack was a little high, but higher, like you couldn't see the cards. Alright, we got Hopkins, Jordan Reed, Dalvin Cook, Brett Favre, composers, Thurman Thomas, Jim Odo, and Terrell Davis, another PC card. Next pack. Alright, let's... There we go. McCaffrey, that's nice. Marshawn Lynch, Jason Witten, Rodney Harrison, Marcus Allen, Rod Woodson, and Teddy Bruschi. Alright, so we got like looks like two kind of thicker packs. So we'll see. I don't even know if there's fillers in the blasters, but Russell Wilson, T.Y. Hilton, David Johnson. We got this, Warren Dunn, Devontae Freeman, classic eras. Brian Urlacher, Warren Moon, Emmitt Smith, and Kyle. So, like I said, it looks like we got two thicker packs, so I'm going to save those two till the end. I think I see the hit pack, though, now that I think about it. Kirk Cousins, Case Keenum, he's a Bronco. Cam Newton, Derek Carr, Maurice Jones-Drew, Tony Gonzalez, Frank Tarkenton, Franco Harris. Alright, yeah, they actually look both around the same, so who knows, maybe we even got lucky to get two in this box, which would be pretty insane. Two patches. It says on average, so alright. This one's a thick card. We'll see. Oh yeah, this one feels a little different. Yep. Des Bryant, Marquise Goodwin, Andrew Luck, Sam Darnold rookie, not bad. Paul Hornung, Clinton Portis, and Ray Lewis. So that's cool. Alright, so here we go. This is the... Here we go. Here's our pack. Michael Strahan, Dan Marino, Charles Haley, Lance Allworth, Brandon Cooks, Carlos Hyde, Lamar Miller. My last box, I got a really nice one, so let's see. Ooh, Kaiser. Okay, that's not bad, but Deshaun Kaiser Saturday swatches. Kind of cool, but I don't got a patch of his yet. So, Kaiser, not bad little patch. Hopefully he will turn out decent. We got for PC, Terrell Davis, John Elway, and Sanders. And then that's just other ones. Got the Sam Darnold rookie, nothing too big, still nice box. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Peace. #RainTalksFullback.